Next is my subsonic, so supersonic and sonic flow. So in case of my subsonic, so basically subsonic, supersonic, and sonic flow is defined on the basis of the Mach number. So first you understand what is my Mach number. So Mach number is my also a dimensionless quantity that basically the ratio of speed of the object to the speed of the sound in the surrounding medium. Okay. So Mach number is my. So before going to understand subsonic, sonic and supersonic flow, you first understand the Mach number. So Mach number is the ratio of speed of the object to the speed of sound. In the surrounding medium. Okay. So in case of my subsonic flow, Mach number is less than 1, whereas in case of my sonic flow, the Mach number is 1, and in case of my supersonic flow, the Mach number is greater than 1. Okay. So in case of my subsonic flow, the fluid velocity is less than the speed of the sound, and the compressibility effect are taking negligible, and we treat as my flow is in incompressible flow. Whereas if we talking about the sonic flow, the Mach number is equal to 1, and in if we are talking about the supersonic flow, the Mach number is taking as greater than 1. Okay.